How to make chicken curry. Ingredient: chicken, coconut milk and evaporated milk, garlic and shallot, cinnamon, lawang flower, clove, and cardamom, ground spices, garlic, shallot, and red chili, toasted coriander, caraway, and anise, chopped turmeric and ginger. For finishing, galangal, lemongrass, and curry leaf. Steps: saute onion and garlic until wilted. Enter the ground spices and all dry spices. Stir. After fragrant, enter the chicken. Stir until stiff. Pour coconut milk and milk. Stir again.
Jangan tinggi-tinggi.
Reduce heat. Cook stirring occasionally until the chicken is tender, the spices are absorbed, and the sauce thickens.
Yummy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Bu Guru Kawanda. Hari ini Kisha mau kasih tahu rasa makanannya. Rasa makanannya enak. Baru ini enak banget sampai Kisha makannya 4 kali. Nah, yang mau tahu rasanya gimana jangan lupa coba. Dadah Ibu Guru.